Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to get equation toggle with your keyboard shortcut key in your MS Word. So before going to start the video, if you not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to use equation toggle with keyboard shortcut key on your MS Word, then I will show you simple method how to do this. First of all, you have to open your Word file. In this, you have to just hold Alt key and press is equal to. As you can see, when you press Alt and is equal to, you will find this equations here. You can select any one of the equation. Then you can type your alphabets here. You can see, you can type any text here. That's it guys. So in this way you can get equation toggle with your keyboard shortcut key in your MS Word. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.